to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times. Now, if you are a beginner, slowly bring your elbows down to the mat and rest in this position and make sure to breathe so that you are getting used to the stretch which is in your groin and your hips area. But to intensify the stretch even more, gently stretch your arms all the way forward and put your forehead down to the mat. It is going to hurt at the initial stages, but make sure you practice it every single day. Once you want to release the posture, gently inhale, slide your arms all the way back, roll your shoulders and relax.
Sit with our right leg, soles of our right leg in our inner thigh of our left leg. And bending down all the way, catching hold of your legs. Now place your forehead on your knee. Come back up. You're going to do it with the other leg. So place your left leg, soles of your left feet in your right inner thigh. Raise your hands up and coming all the way forward. Catch hold of your right feet. And come down all the way with your forehead touching your knee. To come back up, look at your feet, raise your hands up and release.